So I see that you need help with this problem, and it says the table below gives the number of hours 10 randomly selected students spent studying and their corresponding test grades. Using this data, consider the equation of the regression line for predicting the test grade that the student will earn based on the number of hours spent studying. Keep in mind the correlation coefficient may or may not be statistically significant for the data given. Remember, in practice, it would not be appropriate to use regression line to make the prediction if the correlation coefficient is not statistically significant. So it wants you to find the estimated slope and then round your answer to 3 decimal places. So for this, for the estimated slope, I'm just grabbing a paper and a pencil. Oh, actually, you know what? I will do this in Excel. I'm not sorry, not Excel. In PowerPoint, so you can see my workout. So when using this, so I'm going up 7, up 7, up 4, up 2, up 6, up 3, up 5, up 2, up 2. So I'm just going to add up all of those numbers. Plus 6 plus 8 plus 4. So I'm going to get 38. And I'm going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is 4 2/9. Okay, and then this is divided by 0.5. So 4 2/9 divided by 0.5 is 8 4/9. Is your slope. Okay, find the estimated y-intercept, round your answer to 3 decimal places. So right now the y-intercept is 61, so we're gonna say 61. Okay, determine if the statement all points predicted by the linear model fall on the same line, true or false. Well, this is false because this is not consistent. It doesn't go up by the same amount. The rate is not the same. Find the estimated value of y when x equals 3.5. So right now we have an equation of y equals 8 4/9 x plus 61. So y equals 8 4/9 times 3.5 plus 61. Oh, I don't know why I put 3 9s. 8 4/9. So 8 4/9 times 3.5 is 29.6, we'll say, plus 61. And that means that they're going to get a 90.6, say. And that's pretty accurate as far as it's around about that number. Substitute the values you found in steps 1 and 2 into the equation for the regression line to find the estimated linear model. According to this model, if the value of the independent variable is increased by 1 unit, then find the change of the dependent variable y. So it would be 8 4/9 for every 1 hour. So it would be 8 4/9 points for every 1 hour. Okay, so that would be your change in y over your change of x. So your grade for every hour that you are studying, your grade is going to increase by 8 4/9 of a point. So find the value of the coefficient determination, round your answer to 3 decimal places. So I'm going to show you this. This is why I wanted to go to Excel. And so I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger for you to see. If I highlight this, I'm going to insert, and I'm going to insert, I clicked on the wrong one, scatter plot. And so here's my scatter plot. I'm just going to go over the questions for right now. So as you can see, it's going to increase. And so I can add a trend line. And so for the trend line, it will let me display an equation, which is it's very similar to the equation that I got, just my slope is a little bit increased a little bit more. And then as far as my correlation coefficient, let me just double click on this line. It also gives you this too. So, so this answers that last question. So I've helped you with all of these questions. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.